Hi there, I'm Tracy Drake. This is Seated Qigong, a short instructional video on two of the brocades of the Eight Brocade series. And we will begin. So the first brocade that we'll be looking at is Our Gazes Back. So find your way into your sturdy chair. Spine is long, feet flat on the floor, about hips width, and just connect with the breath to begin with. Relaxing the belly, taking a couple of nice long breaths. And then as you breathe out, just turn the head and gaze over one shoulder. Come back through center and gaze over the opposite shoulder. So nothing else to do here but to turn the head and look over your shoulder if your eyes are open. You can also practice with your eyes closed if you wish. And just being aware of how this feels in the neck and around the shoulders. Maybe some muscle tightness. May start to feel that ease up a little bit. Just turning the head as far as is comfortable for you. The head doesn't drop back. This isn't a circular motion. It's simply looking over one shoulder and then the opposite shoulder. Good. And then the head can come back to center. Our next movement will be swinging the head, wagging the tail. So take the feet a little bit wider apart, okay? You can bring your hands to the tops of your knees here, just on your thighs. And we're going to swing the head. And as I do this, I push my hand into the thigh that I'm moving away from. So firm up that leg. So engage that thigh muscle, push that hand into the thigh. And find a little bit of traction here. Find a little bit of resistance between the hand and the leg to encourage you to push around and a little bit further. So nice little twisting motion here. Just to your comfort level. You go as far as you feel you want to go today. Leaning forwards a little bit as you come round will be helpful. Good. Pushing down into the feet. You will need the feet securely on the floor here. Once more to either side. Good. And then coming back to center, walking the feet back to hips width once again, sitting up tall. Notice how you feel. Good job. And there you have it. Wise owl gazes back and swinging your head, wagging your tail. Well done. Have a great day. Thank you for joining me.